Hey, Coach Cathy here, coming to you real quick. This is probably going to be the quickest video I've ever done because 5 ingredients to making an incredible dessert. It's called low carb chocolate mason jar ice cream. Yeah, 5 ingredients. So I got my mason jar this morning when I was at Fred Meyer with this recipe in mind. I do want to just say that I got this ball and it's Feeding America, so it's called sharing jars, but you buy this and they donate 4 meals to people in need. So I thought that was pretty cool, right? Creating deliciousness and helping people enjoy a meal. So what does it take? It takes 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So I've got it right here, one of my favorite healthy fats. And with keto, we are 75–80% healthy fats per meal. So there's healthy fat there. 2 tablespoons of all of the swerve. So it's a natural sugar type. It doesn't have the spike that table sugar does. So we are as low sugar as possible with the ketogenic lifestyle. And it is a lifestyle. This is not a diet. This is going on 18 months. Pretty cool. So 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Then I have this bulletproof upgraded chocolate powder here. You can see that. And that is also, I think I will have the recipe, 1 tablespoon. Didn't want to mess up there. So 1 tablespoon of chocolate. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I got this when I was in Mexico with the Wicaya cruise this past January into February. And what's really cool is it was a free cruise that I earned, but not just a free cruise, it was balcony. It was a free balcony suite. It was pretty awesome. So with this, and so that's where I got this vanilla. I mean, it's beyond anything I've ever had before. So 1 teaspoon of this vanilla, spilled a little bit there. So whatever vanilla you have, go for it. I do go with as much as my food as possible is organic. And then optional is 2 tablespoons of no sugar. It's actually stevia sweetened, so that's the form. It's Lily's chocolates. These are really, really good. So I don't have full 2 tablespoons. I just didn't feel like I needed that to put in here. Now, it said that it may double in size, so I just might transition and mix this up a little bit and then switch it into this one and shake it up some more. But that's it. You guys, that's ice cream. And we close the lid. And it's going to be 5 minutes. I haven't done my workout yet. Daily doing activity. I was the first fitness champion for Wakai Perfection's Bullet program. I'm so proud of that, alongside Julie Milbright. So it was just awesome to be there and living the life and also mentoring others who are doing this challenge with me as well. So 5 minutes of this, and it's supposed to double in size. So I think I'm going to go ahead after this. I'm going to separate it and put it into this one as well, so it won't be full. And then what happens is we put this in the refrigerator for 3 hours and scoop it out. I do have an ice cream maker, a small one for the freezer, but I'm wanting to do this experiment, and I will be back later to show you the results. But super simple. Keto is an easy lifestyle. It's switching up, like you saw here, a little bit different ingredients to make breads, to make like potatoes. Well, now it's cauliflower, mashed cauliflower or cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, and it's so good. Your body, these are the benefits, let me tell you. So 20 pounds of belly fat gone. I'm getting stronger. I'm 60. So, and also with a disease of 22 years, I have me sedentary. So living life differently. So the benefits has been, I look years younger. I look at my picture when I started this, like 18 months ago, a year and a half ago. I was then, I don't even think I was 59. I was 58. And I'm now 60 and I look so much younger. So if you're looking for benefits of we're not dealing with skincare, we're not dealing with other things. We do have that, but it's the lifestyle of living ketogenic, being healthier, having many issues gone that was living with, so that's a huge benefit. Feeling really good, huge benefit. Also, not having food cravings, oh my gosh, that's a huge benefit, as well as not having food control me. Not having food control me. There were select comfort foods that was controlling me all the time. And I'd eat it. I hear other people say the same thing. And it just wasn't enough. It was like, I need more of those Lay's potato chips. I need more of that chocolate. I need more. Reese's peanut butter cups. Oh my gosh, I couldn't have just a few. And we allow that to happen because we don't know there's a better way. Well, in walks BulletFit and the Keto Lifestyle Company. We didn't start out with the BulletFit Keto Lifestyle Company, but have developed it and mastered it. That's just it. There's other companies with ketogenic drinks and that. That's great, right? We've mastered it. We've mastered it with the entire holistic, and as a nurse, I love this. It's not just have this drink and try and eat keto. No, it's live keto, have the shake, that helps simplify, but it's also let's start moving. And we're not talking hardcore exercises. We're talking move and progress if you can up to that. I can't because of the limitations of my foot and ankle. I can't do that. But I'm pushing myself and I've done amazing things that I'm blown away from, you know? So the benefits are incredible. What would the benefits be for you? Would it be fat loss, weight loss? Would it be that you are able to start moving? Would it be that you're feeling better, that you're looking younger, that some health issues are just kind of resolving themselves because of no cure here, right? It's been around for 100 years, the ketogenic lifestyle, because it's been proven that there's some health issues that this can really help support and calm the body down and put them into the right direction. If you need to benefit from inflammation issues to get rid of them, the ketogenic lifestyle is really incredibly anti-inflammatory. So anyway, I did go on to that because there are so many benefits. It's not just about let's lose weight and fat. It's about, no, what are the benefits? What can it really do for me? Not what it's doing for Cathy or Glenda or John or Lanny or Julie or other people or Scott Nelson, who also became a fitness champion. So proud of him. Not about what it's doing for us. What can it do for you? So think about that. What could my life look like if what Cathy's describing right now are the benefits, that even if some of those benefits are ones that affect me, would that be worth taking a look at? I don't know, but if it is, let's just connect. Let's just have a conversation. Won't be about me, it'll be you focused. What are you looking for to benefit your life, to make it better as you get older? We're all getting older, right? So anyway, God bless. I'm gonna keep working on that, and we'll be back with you later with the finished result. I've never made this before, so who knows, it might be a complete flop. I don't think so, not with ingredients like that. There's no way. So let me see. Randy, I love you. I can't wait to see you in Kansas City. And I think that might be Randy, thank you. And it's all Randy. Randy, and talk about Randy. Oh my goodness. He did not need to have fat loss or weight loss. What he did was he just from ripped to major ripped. I mean, seriously, he's not 60, but I'm thinking he's upper 40s maybe. I don't know, but he looks really, really great. So it's not just, again, it's another benefit. Scott Nelson, he just needed to firm up some. Yeah, lose a little bit of that, but to get stronger. So he didn't look frail like his wife told him. You're looking frail. He goes, there's no respected Army colonel that looks frail. I better get working. And he did, and he looks amazing, amazing. So, and all thanks to Coach Owen, our great fitness ambassador, and Coach Christy Kaminsky, we are just blessed. So that's that holistic look, a review of life with Wakaya and the BulletFit, the ketogenic lifestyle. So anyway, take care. God bless. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm back. It has been not quite 3 hours, but long enough for these. My cat's going to come and say, I want some for the ice cream. No, Rebby, sorry, sweetie. How he knows and I turn the play button, I have no idea. But He does. He figures it out. So what I wanted to share is not only the finished product here, however, my dinner. And this is Living Keto. It's a delicious butcher box hamburger patty. So organic, grass-fed, high quality. I have avocados, which is a great healthy fat, plus my cauliflower rice with Wakaya's turmeric and ginger, the most potent on the planet. It's the way that they cultivate it, and on incredibly organic, certified organic soil. And that's my dinner. A little bit of cheese on the top. Don't want to overdo. And that's Living Keto. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be totally satisfied with no thoughts of hunger, cravings at all. But let's go ahead and check this out. So I did break this into 2 different servings. So I have another one of these in the freezer. And looking at the size, I do believe I would have been fine with 1, but I actually like the idea of having them broken up so they're like servings, although this should be 2 servings worth of. So and that's one thing too. The crazy thing about Living Keto is that how often have we gotten a carton or even a smaller half carton, let's say, of ice cream, and we just go away, and then before we know it, it's like gone, and we're still thinking I'd like a little bit more, kind of like what I mentioned on the earlier video. Well, with the higher fats, oh my gosh, this looks delicious. We're satisfied. We really are like full and comfortable, not overly stuffed. So, oh my goodness, it is real. I did have this sit out for about 5 minutes, but it's really, really creamy. That having whipping cream base has it almost like a mousse. Oh my goodness, it's really, really good. Now, of course, this isn't going to be equivalent to what we would get with Tom and Jerry's, okay? Being real, but it is good. It's satisfying. I'm going to finish here. Because I've got my dinner to have. Oh, I'll have some more of this later. Talk about simple. You do not even need a ice cream maker. Just the earlier part of this, shaken up. Let me tell you, I did not do my daily 50 push-ups against the counter because of my bad shoulder from 3 shoulder surgeries. I did 5 minutes of these, and I figured that has the equivalent of about 50 push-ups. So anyway, this is really, really good. It's a plus. It's a hit. I know my grandkids would love it. So anyway, that's living the lifestyle. Let's talk. Enjoy connecting with you and seeing this is a fit or not. So take care. God bless.